you know, you never know what's in your own backyard. And usually when I go for a walk, I go to a park, but there's like this beautiful campus nearby our house, and we've just started coming up here on a regular basis, and we just really love it, and it's got lots of shade, and it's just a pretty place to walk. So if you're looking for places to walk, change it up a bit. Look around your neighborhood and see what's close. You know, maybe there's a golf course nearby, or a, you know, some kind of even a public building or something. This is a school up here, and it's summer, so it's empty. The campus is empty, so it's a beautiful place to just walk. So we're going to take you guys along for a little walk and get our cardio in. Well, not much of cardio, but it's nice, fresh air and a little bit of cardio, and Roscoe enjoys it too. John and I are taking a walk. He's got his radio stuff all attached to him. He's doing his hobby, and I'm doing mine, which is vlogging. Works out really good. So we're gonna walk up to just a nearby university. We live not too far from one, and live near a golf course and a university, and the campus is beautiful, so we like to walk up there. So that's what we're doing today. There's the gray wolf. Oh, there's another one. Are those, John, are those gray wolf? Oh, timber wolves. Okay, those are timber wolves. There we are. There's the timber wolf. Roscoe, you like hanging out by the wolf. Come on. It's pretty up here, and it rained last night, so got some, grass is a little wet, but it's been so dry it just soaks right in. This is John's alma mater. This is John's old stomping grounds. Gosh, that was like decades ago. They have a really nice coffee kiosk up there inside, but it's Sunday, so they're closed. Oh, here's some chairs, John. You can sit here and relax. Yeah, we don't get to relax when we're walking with John. He only has one speed.
Oh.
What?
That's not true.
There's the crabs there. Okay. John, we belong.
I don't want me on there.
I didn't bring any nuts for the squirrels. There's John's old stomping grounds. He spent a lot of time in that building when he was here, and they're renovating it now. So that was his home away from home. Thank you for coming along with us today. Hope you're doing well. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.
All about the good vibes.